Discover the secret to making a deliciously soft, moist and easy red velvet cake without an oven. We are using beetroot to give our cake its signature color and flavor. This no-bake recipe is perfect for those who don't have an oven or prefer a quicker and easier way to make a cake. The beetroot adds a natural sweetness and a beautiful pink color to the cake, making it a perfect dessert for any occasion. Follow our simple recipe to make this stunning cake at home and impress your friends, family and loved ones in this season of sharing love. Hi everyone, welcome again to my channel and thanks for stopping by. Kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell and let us have fun together. Please watch till the end for the full recipe and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more healthy and active recipe ideas. Kindly watch till the end for the full and detailed recipe. First, let's gather our dry ingredients: all-purpose flour, salt, baking soda, cocoa powder. The full recipe will be in the description box below. So we will combine the dry ingredients and then set aside. For the wet mix, grab some buttermilk. Buttermilk contains milk and vinegar. If you don't have a vinegar, you can make use of lemon. If that is what you have, it will work the same. This recipe contains both butter base and oil base. So let's go in with our butter and sugar and then mix. You can make use of hand mixer if you have that. If you don't have a hand mixer, then you can make use of your spatula. We are going to combine this until it is fluffy. Then we will set aside. Now let us grease our pan. We will go in with both oil, vegetable oil, and then we will sprinkle some flour for it to be easy to bring out of the pan. Don't forget, this is a no oven cake. A no oven cake. Then we sprinkle some flour. Now let us prep the beetroot. There are two ways to make use of your beetroot for your red velvet cake. You can either wash the back until it is very clean and free of sand, and then you slice it like that, or you grate immediately, or you can peel off the back just like this. You peel off the back and then you grate it straight away into your wet mix. Let's see some of the reasons why beetroot is beneficial to our cake, or generally. It supports heart health, it boosts exercise performance, it enhances brain function. So you can see why beetroot is very beneficial in cake. That is because children love cake so much, so it will enhance their brain function. Beetroot also supports liver health. Like I said, this is a no oven based cake, so you are going to make use of any old pots you have. This is my old pot. Then you can go in with either stone or that iron that you can see right there. So now let us mix our butter and sugar again. We have already set this aside, so let's mix it again before going with the dry ingredient and the other ingredients. A quick one: you can get permanent access to my recipe cookbook and other ebook on easy to make homemade recipes from your health to your skin, food, baking and so on. Kindly check out the description box below to see how you can access them now. So here we are going in with our eggs one by one. Our new batch of online training is ongoing. For those who want to spice up or advance their cooking, baking and all recipes game, or are you a food enthusiast? Kindly check out the description box below, or now you can access the class today. So we have added our vanilla flavor and the butter mix. So mix this very well, but don't over mix. Do not over mix. Then oil, vegetable oil, now let's pour the dry mixture into the wet mixture and stir until just combine. Don't over mix. Then let's grate in the beetroot. Beetroot also regulates blood sugar, it supports liver health, it promotes health skin and many more. So endeavor to consume beetroot not only in cakes but in fruit juice and so on. You can check out some of our videos on how to make use of beetroot for simple homemade recipes. Then our red food color, and then we will give it a final mix, but we will not over mix. Make use of hand mixer if you have one, or make use of your spatula. Then we will bring closer our baking pan in which we have already greased. You can also line some baking sheets inside your baking pan before pouring some oil and then flooring it. Now pour the batter into the pan, cover and bake for about 30 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Bake under low heat and then you let it cool for about 5 to 10 minutes before bringing out of the pan. Let it cool for a bit before serving or before covering it with icing. You can enjoy it plain or top it with cream cheese frosting for that signature red velvet touch. Make a cake parfait out of it as well. And there you have it, a delectable oven-free red velvet cake. that is sure to impress. Kindly check out for more videos on cakes or buttercream icing, full cake decoration videos, and many more. You can follow us on our displayed social media handles and let us become friends and advance together. Thanks for watching. Kindly share your thoughts in the comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever we drop a new video, and for more delectable, delightful, and tasty creation. See you in our next video.